are human beings are representing us in the parliament. They see what's happening in the country, so they have to make the call.
We don't want a corrupt leaders. We need to change the government.
We elect a new leader. They will make a difference.
Parliament let by talkers and Islaman Prime Minister James Marabi Sanaba, you make him Karangi.
Taba you look at country or something, Ausik no got bet Marasin or Mama Karim or beginning nothing low achet low flow or fuel price no got.
Most people have been interviewed regarding the current economy in Papua New Guinea and the current business status in Papua New Guinea. Most ideas from the citizens of Papua New Guinea reverse to the change of government and the leadership in Papua New Guinea. They assume the changes will bring a good development like business growth and economic growth. We will have to continue with the interview regarding the government change. Most people are thinking of government change will change the future of the nation and the economy and business growth in Papua New Guinea. Let's have a look at the first interview.
Now you look at country or something, Ausik no got bet Marasin or Mama Karim or beginning nothing low achet low flow or fuel price no got or something and Bagara. Now member no got on member all told member Sauman, but no got on member come out plus killer but talk out straight or some country Bagara. All got thing him life blown now, all thing him bell blown yet no walking stuff. So I'm good time now also all people yet pass. Or member too much country blue,
EF pointed out that the government has to come clean. The economy and the business are going down. All the major infrastructure in Papua New Guinea is going down. Government has to come out clean and tell the people that it's to change the government or to change the economy and the business will grow.
Treasurer and his Prime Minister should come out and tell the people of this country that we have serious financial problems. We are almost headed for bankruptcy.
Our interviewed people have given the effective benefit or the feedback of the questions that have been asked regarding the current government, the economy, and the business to the next years come. Let's have a listen to another interviewer. We'll talk about the government, the economy, and the business standards that will be affecting by the government and the change of the government.
Representing us in the parliament, they see what's happening in the country, so they have to make the call. If the current government is running smoothly, then they let it run. If it is not running the way we supposed to be, and then they can do what they want to do.
If the government is doing great in terms of business and economy, then let the current government be paused through the next 5 years. Otherwise, we have to change the government to improve economy and business.
So in Chile, Parliament let by talkers and Islaman Prime Minister James Marabi Sanaba, you make him Karangi. Okay. So you will change him. All let by talk. So plant the conman, plant the Kaikeman Pulab. And then Islaman no good, so Islaman and good la so you may send him so this line Mokota something come up plant the big man so. Suppose some big man lugumos and this la or Charles Maraba now staff and lugumos inogula and but change him la Prime Minister again. Suppose some lugumos and gula and but surugum nala tempe.
He further said that the government inside, the member inside the parliament has to choose the right leader and form the right government to increase the economy, businesses in Papua New Guinea. Only then will increase finance and business in Papua New Guinea.
The difference is we elect a new leader. They will make a difference. Talk lo change government and same problem and stop yet. So we can change current PM and the next PM will just do the same thing. It's not good to change the current government.
He also said that we have to change the government so that the new government will change the economy in country. If the economy can change, the business will grow and the PNG will change. Follow for more video. For now, peace.